With little beans? Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
I think we should have a taste test here of Jamaican foods. It looks like it's going to work out great. We'll take a break. We're going to talk when we come back.
My mother and my granny.
Take it.
Somebody can work with. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, we've read many articles like what your smile says about you, your palm says about you, your feet. What do your feet say about you?
That
what could your foot possibly say
I do
about
a lot of walking.
That's just what they'll do. Because one of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. But it's the first time that we're getting hairstyles.
Yeah.
So Jean Hainer, who's an expert in face reading and the author of The Wisdom of Your Face, says, tells cosmopolitan.org or .com what your strands are most likely saying about you. I must admit I can't relate to many of these because this is very, this is for people who have...
I can't relate to this either because sometimes I have mobile hair, so my hair change. So that means I'm schizophrenic. That means every day my personality.
But actually, Delia, this segment is perfect
one time
for
I did have to tell somebody, I was emceeing an event and he must sing. When I see man ahead to me here, I said, no, mobile ear, do not touch it.
So you wear a lot of
mobile hair.
Okay. I was going to say borrowed, but it's yours.
No, it's not borrowed.
It's yours. It's yours. I'm qualified.
Okay.
So,
mobile hair.
What do your different mobile hairs, them, types of hair, say about you? So this wig, this mobile hair. This mobile hair says what?
That I woke up this morning and I didn't have to comb my hair.
No, Delia. We know that. That's the most with all of them.
Yeah.
But we particularly love this one. You get a lot of feedback with this here. This says that you're young and spunky and hot. For this. But these we don't have red hair and we don't have curly hair.
It says if you have red hair, it means you're fun-loving. Hate to be bored, have a good sense of humor, want to keep things light. I know some red hair people are cantankerous, but okay.
That looks nice on her.
You should say so.
Very cute.
Curly hair equals a fun. All right, somebody did wear my curly hair last week.
Yes.
Fun-loving, warm-hearted personality.
Okay, that makes sense.
Last week, this was me. They're generous, tend to do everything. Like, no, that's why I take it off. Cause that, so much work, that's all. They have a fire personality whose traits include leadership, love, passion, insight, dynamism, aggression.
Little bit.
So what if you have red curly hair?
Then that's a
We're gonna get back to that.
problem.
Those with wavy hair, that's how when you put in the Brazilian, that's thick and lustrous, are innovative and creative.
Is that right? Is that right? High energy, strong willpower, deeply emotional, with a deep, intense connection. I would like to know how this lady come by this. How did she come by this? She went and talked to the hair?
I want to see her here. Having thick hair means you have strong willpower, but must. Because you have thick hair and you get up every day and comb it. And plait it when you go and you decide, say, this hair will not get the best of me.
But you have thick hair?
No.
Underneath your mobile hair?
I have a lot of natural hair, but it's not thick.
Okay.
Not thick.
Gotcha.
That means I'm weak.
So you don't have any willpower?
No.
If you have straight hair that you always curl, it means you're craving more fun in your life. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
If you have curly hair that all you want to do is straighten, it tends to mean your life is too chaotic, that you probably need to calm down, or that you're OCD.
Or that you just want a different hairstyle. I mean, really? Wait, this is really deep. If you have a medium length, wash and go style, you're a good thinker and you value logic.
Mobile hair. You don't have to wash, you just go.
You also tend to be impatient and easily frustrated.
Got a mobile hair.
So this style is perfect for you because it's no muss, no fuss. Women who have long hair and a wash and go style are more in touch with their feelings. Did this lady say, oh shit?
A whole heap of things. If you have super short wash and go hair, it most likely means you don't want to fuss over things in life, including your hair.
Okay.
If your hairstyle is high maintenance, all right, step out the $80,000 wig. You might be self-critical or a drama queen.
No, I want to ask a question. Do this lady drive? Or walk? Or does she see where she's going? This does not make practical sense.
Women who don't tend to their hair put their own needs last. If you've chosen to shave or bald your head, you're super romantic.
Really?
If a layered hairstyle is your go-to, you're a perfectionist. If you have a widow's peak, it's a sign of mysterious charm. One policeman tell me say the only woman them him ever arrest for murder have widow's peak. And if you gravitate toward a polished high ponytail, you're most likely goal-oriented.
I guess that last one would be me, because that's always the go-to is hair in one.
All right.
Oh, guess what? If you're in a hair in one ponytail, girl, you're also considered to be athletic. I told you guys I was a track athlete.
As polished, it's a sign that you tend to put others' needs first.
Athletic and logical, it says. So that makes complete sense for me.
That means that lady there, me cook up this or something. May I tell you? So what happened to Rasta here? Rasta
no, that would be in the either the medium thing wash and go or the long hair wash and go. So Jody would have medium length wash and go. Impatient and easily frustrated. No muss, no fuss. When you had long sister locks, you would have been in touch with your feelings.
So me I tell you, so that woman here try to tell me I'm schizophrenic. Because one time my head did cut it bald, so me don't know.
So what about people who like experiment with all of these hairstyles? They need therapy.
You know, you tell the man I'm schizophrenic.
I would like to know how she derived. I mean, it says based on her studies in 3,000-year-old face reading derived from Chinese medicine. But what does that have to do with your hair? And what about in the
face reading have to do with your hair? So like Harrow here now, what does that tell me say?
I am not my hair. I am not the skin.
It's not girl alone it's about.
Ari, Tamaya. We are not our hair.
All right.
We are not our hair.
Harrow said, me don't know.
What did he say? Okay. All right, that's it for Girl Talk.
Whatever he said, him and Marvin have the same personality. Because two of them not a hair on their head.
Yeah, that's right. Right song now.
I believe, you know, bald head, miserable. Arrow and Marvin, now let I think about it. Yeah, but Aubrey then, let me see Aubrey.
And
Roddy head bald? But Roddy not miserable.
But you know, bald-headed men tend to look much younger, so if you're having a struggle, especially if you're having that little piece in the middle.
We break long time, Tamaya.
Little girl with the ponytail. AJ, I got a Jerry curl. 13 and I got a relaxer. I was a source of so much laughter. At 15 when it all broke off. 18.